Time to replace the sight glass on your multiport. This small component helps you monitor the backwashing and rinsing processes. Locate the sight glass and unscrew the old, damaged one carefully. You may need to use a paper towel or rag to get a better grip. Remove the O-ring and make sure it's intact, and change it out as needed. Before inserting the new sight glass, go ahead and apply some Lube Tube. This will help the new sight glass screw in correctly, ensuring a tight seal. You may need to put some on the O-ring as well. Gently tighten the new one into place and you are good to go. We are happy to answer any questions and we thank you for watching.